Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about text functions in Excel. Search and find function. These two functions retrieve the text position. Search function is not case sensitive and find function is case sensitive. Left, right and mid. These three functions retrieve the text from the given text. Left functions retrieve from the left side. Right function retrieves the text from the right side and mid function retrieves the text from the middle. Upper, lower and proper. These three cases are converting the lower case to upper case with the help of upper function. Lower function helps in converting upper case to lower case and proper function converts the first letter into the upper case. Trim function removes the extra spaces from the trim from the text and len function finds the total length of the given text. Now here we will see some examples by applying these functions. Find function. Here is the syntax of find. Find text comma within text. So find text is nothing but in double quotes whatever the text you want to retrieve the position you will be writing comma the text. So the position is 1 here. Here if you want to find the position of poop comma the text. But here the thing is as find function is case sensitive and here p is capital P, so here you are giving small p, so it will not give you the result, it will show you the error. Find function, here we will be finding a from the given text. The text is Mark Anderson comma, here you can see the third part of syntax, that is start num. Start num here is nothing but which a's position you want to retrieve, whether the a of Mark or the a of Anderson, because in this name two a are present. So suppose if you are giving the position number as start num as 1, so it will give you the position of this Mark's a, that is 2. And if you are giving the position as 4 or 5, then it will give you the position of this a, that is it will give you the position as 6, right? So here a and d5 comma 4. 4 is nothing but after this mark it will move to the k position 4 and it will give you the position of a Anderson. But here as find is case sensitive, so here we have to give capital A, then only it will retrieve the position of Anderson, that is 6. Now here search function, what text you are finding, IE cell suppose comma the text and then enter. So 2 means the I is starting at position 2. So for whole complete IEL it will take the position as 2 and here it is giving the output as 2. Search function, as this is case insensitive, right? And suppose if you are giving small p comma from text, so it will give you the correct result. It is not a must to give, if the name is in capital then you have to give the capital, right? It's nothing like that because search function is case is insensitive. Here we are giving small a comma this and then comma. If suppose here you are giving 4, then it will retrieve the position of this Anderson a. Here you can see this a is capital, but it will give you the output because as search function is case insensitive, so small a also works here. It will give you the correct result. Left function, here you have to select the text comma and then the number of characters. Suppose you are giving us 4 characters, then it will from the left it will retrieve 4 characters. Text comma number of characters. Suppose you are giving 6, then it will give you 6 characters. That is Winnie is of 5 characters and here one single space also it will give with Winnie. Winnie 5 and 1 space, total 6 equals to right function comma, here you are giving 8 characters, so it will give you the 8 characters from right side. Suppose you are giving 5, then it will give you the characters from right side, total number of 5 characters. 6, total number of 6 characters from the right side equal to mid text comma, here the starting position, if you are giving 1, so it will start with n comma 4, so it will end till l, so it will give you 4 characters from the beginning. Here suppose this is the text, comma, here you are taking the start num from this position, so then this is 5, this is 6, and this is the 7th position of p, and total number of characters 4, so you have to give 7 comma 4, so it will retrieve the last name Poo. So here we will apply the left and search function for retrieving the first name, and right and search function to retrieve the last name. First name is nothing but it is starting from the left side, right? So you have to use the left function. From left it will take this, right, till the space. This is nothing but the space. Text, comma, here you can give it as 4 for Neil, right? Enter. But what will happen here? The other data characters are not the same length of the first, right? So here like this, it will give only 4 characters, right? Here you can see by using the length function, length of the text, right? Here the length of Neil Armstrong is 13, and the Winnie Pooh is 10, and the length of Mark Anderson is 13, right? The text length differs for each and every data. So for that purpose, here we cannot write 4, right? So we have to give the search function here, and in the search function we have to find the space from this text. So whatever is the space given, so that many number of characters it will return. So here you can see the equals to right, comma, here instead of giving the number of characters, you have to give the length function of this text minus the search function, that is the position number of the space, comma, this, right? So here you can see, right, length is nothing but 13, right? 13 minus the search space, the space position, that is it is 5, right? The position of this space is 5, right? So here 13 minus 5, so this much, sorry, 13 minus, so this much characters will be retrieved from right side, right? So here you can see you will get the correct out, right? Next, here equals to lower function, and you have to select the text, that's it, bracket close, enter, so it will convert the data into lowercase, upper. Here I'm selecting the text, that it will convert into uppercase, proper. Here what it will do, it will make the first letters capital of the each and every text string. Here you can see I am taking the proper function and then selecting the text, that's it, bracket close and enter, so it will make the first letter of each and every text string as capital with the help of proper function.